you for clicking on my video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Brittany Renee, and I'm going to tell you how I achieve this look. Okay? So let's get this. I'm not gonna go in order because like it's pretty much explanatory where it goes. But this actually is the first thing I use. Milani, y'all, I use a lot of their products, so they're really good. I use this, like, it doesn't look cakey or anything. Like, if you don't have this product, bitch, you don't have a life, okay? Definitely need to get some more of this, okay? So the next product I will be bringing out will be foundation. Okay, so I've been using this since I was 16 when I first started wearing makeup. Okay, I am 23 years old. Okay, so I've been using this shit for like 7 years. Maybelline Fit Me. My color is 355. Y'all, this shit, bruh, like, you cannot go wrong with this. Tell me, how can you go wrong? This is where it's at. Okay, this is it. If you're looking for a good foundation, Fit Me. Fit Me. Okay? Go buy it at Walmart, okay? The next product I will be bringing out is another Milani. This is their name. But the color that I have is 04 Brunette. You can see that. I know a lot of people's like, oh, I like my eyebrows to be brown, or I like it. Honestly, I don't care. I like black, brown, whichever ones I feel like doing today. But that is the product that I use today, is this one. So, the next one is mascara. And I'm gonna show you guys, but I use it. I don't really have a favorite, mascara, but I like this one so far. I just bought it, so, and haven't, oops. Next product is setting powder. Okay, so let me talk about this a little bit. Setting powder. I don't like how people portray, oh, you had to get this, then you look it up. So the setting powder, you don't have to pay so much. And then when y'all look at the YouTubers and they was like, oh, this is a good, they want to make money, honey. They want to make money. Look at their reviews. Look at somebody that's like not a YouTuber. Walmart, okay? Like, I ain't trying to be funny. I ain't trying to be like, oh, you money, all right? But Walmart, like, why would you want to pay $57 for some setting powder and it shit give you flashback? Like, baby, I'm not trying to go back in the past, okay? I don't want to go back. Don't give me that. Ain't no flashback. It's like you telling one of my niggas want to come back. No, bitch. No flashbacks, all right? We bossed up on the ass, okay? So, this, bruh, Walmart. Love it. Oh, and if y'all are wondering, like, why you got this in here? I don't like to open this and the shit be falling everywhere. So I was like, let me just... So it was like up here, but as you can see, it's almost gone. So, but I still have some in here, like at the bottom, as you can tell, like I have a lot. So I'm not gonna buy any more. I don't know if I'm gonna put it back in here or not, but only time will tell, okay? So let's get right into the next product. You guys guess this product name? You guess, look, Milani. Baby girl, hook your girl up, okay? This shit is, y'all, this is the highlight. Like, can y'all, like, bitch, hold on. Like, can you see this? Like, this shit, This shit is where it's at. Quit playing with it. Sunglow. The name of it is Sunglow. I don't know. Let me see if I can do this shit. Sunglow. Y'all, this is really like, this is really good. I suggest, like, this very pigmented. So you can, like, got it on my nose. You can see I got a little bit right here. And honestly, I like to put, I don't know, I feel like it's just me, but I like to put a little bit of highlight that I'm using under my eyebrows. So, you know, you just feel like you that bitch, okay? So, bitch, we glowing over here. Quit playing with us, all right? But yeah, the next product I use, I don't know if a lot of females wear eyeliner. Sorry, my Apple Watch is being crazy right now. I don't know if a lot of females still wear eyeliner. I like to wear eyeliner, as you can see. But the eyeliner that I have is from Walmart. And y'all, your baby girl, check the description box, okay? Because if not, baby, think harder, okay? Last but not least. Okay, so I know a lot of people is going crazy over like, oh my god, I want some clear lip gloss. Where did I get it from? Da, da, da. Seen this on Twitter a couple times. So baby, I got you. Your girl got you. Y'all, it's time for me to get my nails done. So we just gonna make it work, all right? But don't forget, I'm still that bitch, all right? So anyway, clear lip gloss, clear. See what I got on my lips. Okay, clear. Go to the beauty supply store. Like, y'all kill me. I seen one girl, she said, I spent $16 business, okay? Because I see my black people coming up, you know? But however, baby girl, look at this. Lip oil. Lip oil. Get you some from the beauty supply store. And this is what I have on. You know how much it costs? $1.99 to $2, okay? But I'm not gonna discourage you from buying somebody else's stuff. Like, if you like that, you go for what you like. This is what fit me. This is what I like. So don't try to be like, oh, I don't like what you did. I don't like how you did it. Baby girl, not everybody gonna like you. But I don't give a fuck. All right? I'm me. I am who I am. Sorry, boo. Not sorry. But anyway, oh, those are my brushes. I don't, you know, I just had them over here so I can. Right? You would like for me to do. And don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and I will have my Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat below. Okay? See you in my next video.